Hi friends, it's Christine Moran with Brownell Team Realtors, Keller Williams Realty. Today I'm going to share with you my children's great experience with Leo. Leo runs the engineering program for kids. I brought my children to this amazing engineering program after meeting Leo and him explaining to me what the program is about. My children learned fun things such as momentum and coding for video games, and now I'm excited to share it with you all. So hi Leo, how are you?
Hi, Christine. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, of course. Tell us a little about the engineering program and what it has to offer kids around the valley.
So everything we do is STEM education, and so we believe kids learn better by doing things, and we teach them science, technology, engineering, math through hands-on projects. So we go through the engineering design process of asking questions, brainstorming, making design, building, testing, and then improving. So everything that we do here, it's open-ended, where kids need to figure out the solution at the end of the projects, improve it, and keep testing and improving, and that's how we teach them to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills.
Awesome. Okay. Why was the engineering program created?
My wife, she was an educator. She taught 8th grade at Hyde Park Middle School, and I was doing business with cars, love cars, and we just saw a need here in the Valley for education. Not many schools had the resources that Hyde Park had to teach kids in an engaging and especially on math and engineering. So we found engineering for kids, fell in love with the concept and how things are taught. So we decided we gotta open. So I quit my job and here we are.
Wow, awesome. And if you can tell our audience here how they can sign their children up for this program.
The best way is online. You can go to engineeringforkids.com. Find the Las Vegas location and you can see our completely scheduled online, sign up, and if you have any questions, you can call us at 702-660-9036.
Great. I'm so thankful for people like you, Leo, who are educating our children and helping them expand their skills and become amazing people in this life. So here I am paying it forward. I'm happy to share the Engineering for Kids as a referral and spread the word of this awesome program. If you have children that are interested in learning more about engineering, such as creating video games, coding, robotics, and more, then get them signed up so that they can reach their full potential. Thank you as always, and have a great day.